Good evening, everybody. How are you doing tonight? Roberto, how are you?
Good evening, teacher. How
How
are
are you?
you?
How are you doing tonight?
I'm fine, thank you. I have a little flu, but I am okay.
Oh, you're sick. Okay, just take it easy, all right? Take it easy, relax. Don't worry about it. Take it easy. You're gonna be all right. Okay. Um, did you do any section 1 and 2?
Excuse me, teacher.
Did you do sections 1 and 2?
Yes, I finished.
Oh, you both. Did you get a good score?
Yes, I have more than 80.
More than 80. Okay. Congratulations, Roberto. Very good job. Okay. Galaxy J Prime, J5 Prime. Galaxy, hi. Who is this? Galaxy? Hi, Galaxy.
Hi, hi.
Hi, what's your
Good
name?
night. I'm Jency Bian.
Oh, Jenny. Jenny. Okay. Okay. I got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Griselda, how are you tonight? Juan Carlos, how are you doing tonight? Esau, how are you doing tonight?
Hello, good night.
How are you doing tonight?
Good one.
You're doing good?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. Monica, how are you?
Hi, teacher.
How are you
Uh,
doing? How are you doing?
I'm fine, teacher, but I'm tired.
Oh, you're tired. Oh, not a problem. Just relax, take it easy, all right? Okay,
Yeah.
don't worry about that. Okay. Milton, how are you,
You?
Milton? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm ready to teach you tonight. Okay. Do you
Okay.
guys have a question about the platform, about section 1 and 2? Do you have any questions?
Oh, no question.
No question. Okay, good. All right.
For
Milton,
the moment, not, teacher.
don't have any questions, Roberto?
For the moment, not, teacher.
Not for the moment. Okay. Let me see. Milton, how are you? Milton?
How are you?
I'm doing all
Hi.
right. I'm doing all right. How about you?
Mm, I don't understand.
Oh, how about you? How are you doing, Milton? You're doing all right?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I was just waiting for you, okay? Juan Carlos, how are you doing tonight? Juan Carlos,
Hi.
are you doing okay? Oh, there you
Hi.
are. Hi. Hi,
Hi.
how are you doing? I can hear you. Go ahead.
Fine, teacher. Good
Okay.
night.
Did you do sections 1 and 2?
What?
Did you do sections 1 and 2?
Uh, yes.
Uh, 1 and 2. Did you finish? Did you finish sections 1 and 2? We have a problem with your headsets, okay? We have a problem with your headsets. All right. Jasenia, how are you? Jasenia, can you hear me? All right. Jesus, Esau, how are you? Can you hear me? Esau, can you hear me?
Yes, I
Oh,
can hear you.
how are you tonight? Are you doing all right? Esau, you're good. Morena, how are you?
Sure.
You're doing good? All right,
Yes, I'm good.
you're good. All right.
Beneath?
Galaxy J5, how are you?
I'm fine, teacher. I'm fine. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Is there any question that you might have? Is there any question that you have about sections 1 and 2?
Beneath? ¿Quieres escuchar?
Teacher, I have a question.
Go ahead.
You give me more examples when you use midnight until in the section 2, I think
Mi compañera.
the exercise
Oh,
we can use around every day midnight.
oh, okay. In, on, and at. In, on, at.
Yeah,
Oh,
yes.
sure. Not a
¿Y
problem.
por qué están todos hablando?
Not a
Porque
problem.
hablamos en la clase.
Not a problem.
Ayun.
Not a problem. Okay. So, let me see. Let me take you to section. Let me see. Knowledge check. Let me take you to this one over here. Or maybe we should go to the
Porque no hablo.
do you have it?
Hablando.
Okay. Let me show you the platform.
Porque tienes que hablar en inglés.
Let's do
Ay, pues.
section 2. Do you have any questions for
Eso es
section
inglés.
2?
Ay, pues.
Do you have any questions about
Cuéntame.
section 2? How do you spend your day? How do you
La
spend your day? Okay. Did you do knowledge check 2.4? 2. Let me see, 2.9 and
Pero
2.
podemos meterla en el oído.
All right. Did you do all of these? Did you do problem? Okay, so let me give you examples. Here we go. Let's go to the chat. Do you remember when do
Y
you
este es
use
el que está hablando.
when do
Él es
you
el
use
profesor.
when do you use at?
¿Ah?
Okay.
Es el del...
When do you use at? When do you use at, people? At noon? When you say at noon? At midnight?
When we try to
Fine.
say the specific the date or time.
Okay. At midnight, at noon, at night. Okay. At night, at 3 o'clock. Okay, at 3 o'clock. Let me see. Basically, when you're using time, that's exactly what you say, okay? At midnight, everybody is going to go home. Everybody, for example, everyone is going home at midnight. You know, midnight is 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock. All right, let me see. Another example, everyone has to go home at midday. Okay, what is midday? Do you know the difference between midnight? What time is midnight?
12 o'clock.
Night is night.
It's in
12.
the middle of the night.
It's in the middle of the night. It's the middle of the night. Exactly. And midday,
It's in the middle of the day.
it's like
12 o'clock.
at noon, 12 o'clock, at noon. Okay, at noon. Guys, when do you use on? When do you use on? On Monday? For example, on Monday,
On weekends.
on the weekend.
On June.
No, in June, in June.
In June.
Okay. You can say on November.
On vacation.
On November 6th. Okay. When you give a specific day on November. Okay. I'm sorry about this. Let me correct it. It's a capital D, November. On November the 6th.
When I have tried to say that date exactly.
Exactly. When you say the number, you have to say on. Okay. On November, capital N, capital N. Okay. On November the 6th. On November the 6th. Okay. When you use the days, okay. On Monday, when you use, for example,
Your birthday is on March 3.
On my birthday. On my birthday. Because your birthday is a specific day. It's a specific day. So you have to say on my birthday. Or you can say on Christmas Eve. On Christmas Eve. You know, Christmas Eve is one day in particular. On the 4th of July. On the 4th of July. On the 4th of July. Okay. It's one specific day. One specific day. Okay. That's why you're saying on. But for example, when you use in, you can use a year, in 2019, in 2019, okay, in November, okay, in November, okay, on the beach, all right, let me see.
In the summer.
In the summer. In the summer. In the winter. In the winter. All right. In November, when you say the year. Say it again.
In the work.
That would be, no, that would be at work. Where are you? I'm at work.
In the morning.
In the morning. Very good. In the morning. In the morning.
The future.
Say it again.
In the future.
In the theater. What'd you say?
In the future.
The night.
No. In the night. It would be at night. It would be at night.
At night.
Yeah, at night. Okay. In the future. Thank you, Monica. In the future. Exactly right. In the future. Okay. So, Hugo, how are you tonight?
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. How is it going? I'm doing great. Okay. Guillermo Gonzalez, how are you? Guillermo, how are you
Hi,
doing?
teacher. Hi, teacher. Fine, thanks. And you?
Wonderful. I'm doing good. Elvis, how are you, Elvis?
I'm terrific, teacher.
Terrific. All right. That's the way to go. Griselda, how are you?
Hi, teacher.
Are you
I'm
doing?
fine.
You're doing good. Okay. All right. Okay. Great. Great. So, are you having any trouble with the platform? Are you having any trouble with the platform?
No, teacher.
Oh, everybody did section 3, right? Everybody section 3. Everybody did section 2. Did you have a problem in section 2?
Yes, teacher. I have a problem in the section 2 in point 2.11.
Oh, in the listening
Listening
exercise.
exercise. Yes.
What is the problem?
How do you say? No me aceptaba ciertas respuestas.
Oh, it didn't accept the answers. It didn't accept.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, let's see if I'm here. Miss Fian. Let's see. Maybe 2.11. Okay, we're here. Here we go. I have a problem. I not let one. Oh, say again. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, what's that? Okay. That will work. Here, here, for the corner. Remember that. Oh, now okay. So the answer should be C. Okay, did you write the correct answer? Do you have the right answers?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's together. Bonnie, what?
He's a chef.
He's a chef. He's a chef. Okay, number 1. He got
9.
9. Okay, he gets home. He home at 11. Here we go. 7. He's straight at 1. He's a
Office manager.
left, right. Double manager. Shift at 7. Home at 6. He goes at midnight. Ellie flight attendant double D.
Yes.
And it's at before 5. He gets home at 9. She goes at
Around 10.
Huh?
Around 10.
Around, are you sure you're right? Around 10? Okay.
Oh, teacher.
Oh, 10?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I said around 10.
Okay, let's start with 10. You ready?
Yeah.
Why
Yes,
did you
Yes.
Hey, is there another section to have roll with? Yeah, section.
I will correct answer. This is the mark for.
Okay, then around 10, and I'm sending. Send it. Fine, do it. Do it. Okay, it's Anderson. Fine. Who's it? Okay. Is that right?
Yes.
Everybody got it right. Is that right?
Yes.
Is there anybody that has it done 1 or 2? Right. Okay, so we are doing good. We're doing a good job. Because what I'm trying to do, people with you, is I'm trying to review you. I'm trying to teach you something before you do some 3, so that you don't have so many problems doing second 3. How much is it? How much is it? Have you done it? Very easy, right? Very easy. Is it 100?
Yes.
Everybody got it?
Not yet, teacher.
Yes.
Oh, not yet. Okay, okay, not a problem, not a problem. Okay, so let me ask you a few questions. All right, let me ask you a few questions. I'm gonna give you an adjective, and you give me an example. Here, give me an example with the comparative form of big. What is the comparative form of big?
Bigger.
Bigger. Okay, Monica, can you give me an example with bigger, bigger than? Can you give me an example with bigger than?
Um, Anna is bigger than I.
Exactly right. Okay. Anna is bigger than I. Very good job. All right. Let me see. Another example. Can you give me an example? Rosie Herrera, can you give me an example with the comparative form of tall? The comparative form of tall. Mm-hmm. Rosie, hello.
Can you repeat that?
Sure. Can you give me an example with the comparative form of tall?
Taller.
Taller than. Can you give me an example? Guillermo, give me an example with taller than. Taller than.
I'm taller with. I'm taller more than my wife.
I am taller than my wife. Very good. I am taller than my wife. What about
Maybe I can say I am taller
taller
than my son.
than my son? Very good. What about cheap? What about cheap? Janita Rodriguez. Give me an example with cheap, the comparative form of cheap. Comparative form of cheap.
Cheaper.
Cheaper. Give me an example, Roberto.
My computer is cheaper than the television.
Right. My computer is cheaper than my television. Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. What about nice? Give me an example with the comparative form of nice.
Nicer?
Nicer. Give me an example. Give me an example.
The teacher is nicer more than others.
Say it again.
The teacher is nicer to the another than.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Okay, let me see. Morena. All right. This one, with this one, this is an exception, okay? You have to use more. Okay, give me an example with stylish. What is the meaning of stylish? What is the meaning of style?
Elegante.
Stylish means in Spanish, más,
Spanish is elegante.
más chivo.
Very chivo.
Ajá, more chivo,
En
more
salvadoreño.
chivo. Ajá, more chivo. Okay, give me an example. Morena, give me an example with more stylish.
You look really stylish today.
Oh, okay, very good, very good. Okay, for example, you can say a leather jacket, leather jacket is more stylish than a cotton jacket.
Teacher, you
Yes,
can spelling me stylish.
stylish.
Yep.
S-T-Y-L-I-S-H. Stylish.
Okay.
Stylish.
Thank you.
Okay, another example. Give me an example with the comparative form of pretty. Esau. Esau. Give me an example with the comparative form of pretty.
My girlfriend, most
Uh-huh.
very kind sister.
Say it again. My girlfriend is prettier than
Michael.
Angelina Jolie. All right, that's
Yeah.
very good. That's very good. Very good example. Okay, or maybe you want to say Angelina Jolie is prettier than J-Lo. No.
No.
J-Lo is prettier than Angelina Jolie, right?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Prettier than, okay. Okay, let me see, Janita, I want you to give me an example with, let me try to give you, all right. Okay, with the comparative form of good. What is the comparative form of good?
Better.
Better than.
The example can be the weekends are better than Monday.
Okay, the weekend is better than weekday.
The
No,
week
Sundays are better than Mondays. Sundays
uh,
are better than Mondays, right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay. Another let me see. Let me get you another one. Okay, what about this one, people? Give me an example. Give me an example with large.
The beach. The beach is better than
Larger.
Larger.
the park.
The beach is larger than the park. Very good. Very good. I like that. Okay. Let me try and give you another one. Rosie, can you hear
Ya
me?
lo, hello, teacher. Ya lo di.
No. Another one. Give me another
I
one.
can hear it.
You
Repeat.
can. All right. Repeat. You have to repeat it. Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem. Okay. Let me see. Another one. Yeah. What about this one, Rosie? Give me an example with the comparative form of beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful. My mother is beautiful.
More,
My
more beautiful than.
more beautiful than my sister.
Okay, my mother is more beautiful than my sister. Okay. What about this one?
I have a question. This is superlative, it's not comparative.
No, comparative. More beautiful than.
More beautiful. Okay.
More beautiful than. Okay, Elvis, give me an example with the comparative form of wonderful. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
It's a
Woman.
Huh?
Wonderful, es sorprendente.
Wonderful is.
Bello, hermoso.
Right. Right. Go
The
ahead.
Lempa River is wonderful than.
Is more wonderful than. More wonderful than.
Cara Sucia River.
Carasucia River, okay. The Lempa River is more wonderful than the Carasucia River. Okay, great, good job. Good job. All right, let me see, another one. Another one. Let me see, Galaxy number J5, Galaxy Prime. Interesting, interesting.
Interesting.
You are,
Studying is more. The study English is more interesting than see the movie.
than seeing a movie, than seeing. Okay, studying English is more interesting than seeing a movie, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good job. Very good job. Okay, give me an example with the comparative form of quiet. Quiet. Griselda, quiet.
Quiet. Who is quiet?
Callado.
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 Okay,
The farm is more quiet than the city.
okay. The farm is quieter, quieter than.
Quieter.
Uh-huh.
I hear quiet.
Oh, no, quieter. Okay, let me see the last one. Okay, let me give you the last one. Okay. Oh, let me see. Fast. What is the comparative form of fast?
Fast.
Yesenia, give me an example. Yesenia, give me an example.
The motorcycle is faster than the bicycle.
Than the bicycle. Very good. Very good. Okay, so let me take you to section. Let me see. I want to take you to. All right, so you did section 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, let me see. Here is the midterm exam. I think it should be easy for you because section 1 and 2 were easy for you. So the midterm exam should be also. Okay, here the parts of the midterm exam are listening, filling in the blanks, circling the word.
Not yet.
Not yet. No, but what I'm saying is, I know it's got to be at the end of next week, maybe on the weekend, okay? What I'm going to do on Monday is I'm going to do exercises and you will be working with me together or maybe in pairs and then you'll be answering, okay? I think this we can practice the dialogue. Okay? You see the dialogue sessions? Okay, we're practicing dialogue. You want to hear the conversation? Oh, okay. Perfect. You. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Do time on it. Right.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, here it is. Wait. I'm sorry about this. Okay, people, what are you going to do on the weekend? What are you going to do, Esau? What are your plans for the weekend?
Nothing really.
Nothing yet. Okay, Guillermo, your plans? Don't have any plans yet?
Go to the university.
Go to the university. Juan Carlos. Monica, everybody. All right, guys, for the weekend, where do you want to go, Janira?
I go to university.
Oh, to the university. Okay, great. Okay, guys.
I go
Okay.
I will clean my house.
Okay, wonderful. It's time for me to go. I will see you on Monday. Take care of yourselves. I will be here on Monday with you. Try to do section 3. And on Monday, I am going to give you exercises on sections 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be practicing dialogues. We're going to be practicing doing exercises. All right. So I'll see you. Take it easy. Have a good time, people.
Good night, teacher.
Have a good night.
Good weekend.
Have a happy weekend, people. Bye-bye. Take care.
You too, teacher.
Bye-bye.